Greetings, it is September 22nd, Thursday 2022. Doing another quick video of this recent sightseeing we did in the Human Rights Art Series artwork. Number 52, the Weapons Sea Monsters and the Martyrdom of Italian photojournalist Raffaele Ciriello, who was slain in March 2002 in Ramallah in the West Bank. And I'm doing this video because name searches for my artworks aren't showing up in YouTube search, so I'm going to post the title with portrait Raffaele Ciriello art drawing image, and we'll see if that works. Quick video here. And people can view a good large photo of it soon in my website, along with description text. Alright, there you have it. Thanks for the nice singing I hear in the background, Budgie Wedgies. Very good.